Sustainable agriculture. Sustainable farming practices aim to minimize environmental impacts while ensuring food security and reducing the use of harmful pesticides and fertilizers. Meet sustainable agriculture, the planet-friendly farming approach. It's about reducing environmental harm while ensuring food security. It's the future of farming. Sustainable agriculture minimizes the use of harmful pesticides and fertilizers. This practice promotes healthier soils and better crop yield. It values biodiversity, promoting a diverse ecosystem that helps maintain balance. This encourages natural pest control and improves resilience against diseases. Sustainable farming also reduces greenhouse gas emissions. By optimizing energy use, it helps combat climate change. So let's support sustainable agriculture. Better for our health, better for our environment, better for our future.